Be long. Girl, it's my bedtime. Recording this video a little bit late.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That's every week you get to see me and gonna give this video a thumbs up. You know it's gonna be lit. We say on the pop, we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping, period. Alright y'all, so in today's video I wanted to bring y'all another luxury press-on nails haul because I didn't know the girls were into press-on nails like me. I love me some press-on nails, y'all, because my press-on nail game is really strong. Like, yeah, and it's only getting better and better, period. So I got a whole bunch of nails, y'all, this time around. Y'all know I always get my nails from AliExpress. Girl. Now, I don't like to knock people's hustles, but I do like to give the girls that are on a budget, I like to give y'all the rundown on where you can get you some luxury press-on nails where you don't have to break your bank, because I know a lot of people sell press-on nails and they be some bomb press-on nails, but they be running for like $30 to $45, and I'm like, who pocket got time for that? Not mine, period. Because you can go on a wholesale website and you can get them. You can get the same nails, y'all, for little to nothing. These nails that I have on my hand right now are some nails that I purchased off AliExpress, and I saw someone with this design, and when I saw them on AliExpress, I have to get those. Now I wore these this weekend, so I've had these on since Friday, and girl, y'all know these are my favorite shapes. These are the shapes that I like to rock, and girl, they look good. It looks like I went to an actual nail salon and got my nails done, but baby girl, no, I went to AliExpress and got me some dollar press-ons and made it do what it do when it came to my method of how I make them last. Now, okay, my camera angle probably changed, y'all. Ugh. But these nails here are a glossy neon pink. I get glossy when I want to have like a gloss look. Like these are gloss look as well, but they just look like this. I'm gonna put them up close to y'all because I told y'all these are my favorite shape, and they ran for like, I think these were only $1 too. I don't know, probably cheaper than that, but like I said, I have the price on the screen for you, but they are really pretty. And the thing that I love about AliExpress is you want what you see is what you get. When you see it on the website, it's not some rinky-dink picture that makes you think you probably be scammed. It's actually what you're going to get, and that's why I love to buy my nails off AliExpress. These here are a lavender, and y'all know purple is my favorite color. I don't know, I probably mentioned, yes, I did mention that. I mentioned that purple is my favorite color, and these are some of my favorites because these are my favorite colors. I love these. I cannot wait to wear these because yeah, girl, it's gonna be it for the summer, and y'all know my birthday is in the summertime. Hello. And next up we have this light sky blue, like what you call this, like turquoise, a turquoise color. Really pretty. It's a light blue, y'all, but they're really pretty. All of these are gloss nails, so if you want like that smooth gloss look, these would be right up your alley, baby, right up your alley. And then the last of my glossy nails are this neon yellow lime, because it gives you the vibe of both. Like it looks like a neon yellow, or it could be going for a neon, like a lime color. These are another coffin shape, and they are a blue. Now they have nail glue that comes in with this kind right here. Now these are a luxury nail, so these are a bit more pricey, but they're still not the price that you would pay if you get them from somebody's boutique or something. If you find someone that sells these type of nails, they'll probably have them going for about $20 something, but you can get them off Ally for only $4.99. I think it was about, I have the correct price on the screen, y'all, because I really don't know. It may not have been $4, it may not have been $5. It probably was like $2, but we'll have the correct price on the screen. But I love these colors. I love this color because I'm not normally into wearing blue, but because I'm getting into these type of French tip shapes, I wanted to get some that I can get the vibe of different colors. These are an ombre-ish color, so they are light blue, and they go into this like ombre-ish pink. If y'all can tell, it's this ombre-ish bluish pink tone. It starts from blue and then it goes into like this pink tinge in the nail bed, and that's really dope. Really dope, y'all. These are like a lady of the night type nail. I freaking love these. Now this one probably would have been better with what I had on this past weekend, because this is like a cobalt blue going into that black. It is another ombre color, and it's like this cobalt blue going into this black tinge in the bottom, and it's like this black has like a both of them have like a, it's kind of like a shimmer to the nail, and it's really cute, y'all. These are literally some that I see girls selling online for a whole box of Popeye chicken family box meal. $20. Or what you doing? Who you doing? Not me. I ain't trying to knock your hustle, but baby, I can go and get them for little to nothing off AliExpress. Hello? Period. Now these are the ones that are a bit more bougie looking. These are the ones that you gonna see going on when they have them in the boutiques. They have them going for a good little chunk, a good little amount, because they have so much detail going into. Now this one is a nudish nail bed color with the pink, like a hot pink top. This part French tip, but it also has the jewel, the bedazzle on it. So these are the ones you're gonna see the girls selling for a good little amount because of the details. The more luxury it look, the higher the nail is going to be. So these are really pretty. These are some that I probably would wear for my birthday because they're so pretty, and because they have this moment right here going. Love it. These right here are actually some of my favorites, if not my favorite, because of the jewel. Really pretty. Now these, I've been searching for me some emerald green nails, and I finally found some on AliExpress. I wanted these for the winter time, during the fall and the winter time, because of the emerald green and Christmas, and I wanted burgundy, but I could never find emerald green or burgundy. But AliExpress got your girl together, and I ended up finding me these emerald. Now I'm gonna have to go and get me some burgundy ones, because I like burgundy and I love emerald green. I just like how it looks on people's nails. It just looks really pretty, and it just, I don't know, it just gives me a vibe, y'all. And these right here give me like a wedding vibe. Like these are some that you would wear for your wedding or during Christmas time because of the look of them, because they have like a snowflake on them. You can see they have like a snowflake, so I really do like these. They were supposed to be longer. I don't know what happened with why they came short, but they were supposed to be this length. All of my nails I get long, like not too long, but long enough for my liking. And I don't know what happened with these and these last ones that I'm gonna show y'all, because they sent me these little short ones and I don't know how I feel about them because I'm not used to wearing short nails anymore. But it is still on the coffin style. It's still on this coffin style, just in a shorter version. And I don't know. These might be some that I might save for the winter time this year and wear them for Christmas or something, or probably, I don't know. But they're a little bit too short for my liking. Like, I've gotten so adjusted to using long nails that I don't even know how to perform with doing things with short nails anymore. So I don't know. These last ones are some of my favorite as well because of the detailings too. This gives me like the vibes of Halloween. If they had like some orange going up in here, these would be ones that I might still wear for Halloween. They were some ones that were supposed to also be long. Girl, it's my bedtime. Recording this video a little bit late, but they were some ones that were supposed to be this length as well. I don't know what happened. I don't know how I ended up getting this short nail, but they did end up sending it to me, and it's like, Ella, get your life, because we don't do short nails. We don't do short nails anymore. Probably Kai back in the day, Kai about 3 years ago, but Kai now don't do short nails, baby. But anyways, I'm still gonna wear them because I really do like these. I would definitely wear these on like Halloween because of the feel. During October, these would be my October nails because of the feel if they were longer. But I'm gonna still wear them. If I don't give them away to somebody, I'm gonna still wear them because I do love these, and I do love that cross detail that you get on these. These are some that you will probably see somebody selling for a good amount of money too in a boutique because of how they look. But going out, like, you can get them for $5. Point blank period. See, those are all the nails that I have. Like I said, if y'all want me to do like different shapes and sizes and stuff like that, let me know, because I know some of you have a hard time maneuvering through the AliExpress website. I'm gonna have all of the, well, it's only literally one link that I went to for all of these nails. They were actually under the same link. So yeah, if y'all want me to find you like your shape and your desired design, if I could find it for you, let me know, or something similar to what you're looking for, I'll do that. And that'll be another series that I will add to my channel for y'all that like the press on nails like your girl, because I love me a good luxury press on nail. I just like the way it makes me feel. Make me feel like I've gone to the nail salon and got my nails done, because I do my own toes, I do my own nails, and I make it do what it do, baby, when I want to look good. And although I've been looking a little bit rough, only because of COVID-19, I'm gonna bring myself back to life whenever all of this stuff go come down. But that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.